Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to tell you everything about digital prints and what I use. And I will show you my printer and also this program that I use. And I highly recommend to everyone who likes to work with digital prints. I learned about HP Instant Ink when I bought my printer at Best Buy, and it was last year. And they added an offer to my printer, and it was for 3 months free. And I started that program, and for the first 3 months, I didn't pay anything. And I had like up to 700 prints per month. And it works with any printer from HP that has connection to Wi-Fi. They send you the ink when your ink is low, like a little less than half, because the connection that has the printer with the Wi-Fi send them the information that you are low on ink, and automatically they send you another cartridge. Okay, if you are low in color ink, they send you only the color ink. And if you print a lot of papers in color, then they keep sending you. And they charge you for print, not for cartridges. And here is what comes in this box, okay? As you see, it's instant ink, never run out. Then it comes in this box, and it comes with this information, okay, that you need to insert the ink cartridge when your printer tells you that it's very low, okay, or it declines to print because it doesn't have ink anymore. Okay, so this one comes with every box, okay, and it says thank you for keeping your printer connected to the internet and your mailing address up to date. Okay, now if your printer is not connected to Wi-Fi, maybe for a few weeks or something, because sometimes if you unplug or something, it disconnect. But as soon as you connect it to Wi-Fi, then automatically the printer tells them how many prints you made. So they keep record, the printers keep a record of how many prints you made, and they up to date. Okay, for example, if your printer is not connected to Wi-Fi, but you were printing like about 25 papers, the next time that your printer connects to Wi-Fi, it will tell them that you printed 25 papers. Okay, so that's how it works, and it keeps a record of every single print. If you make back to back, every side is one print. So if you print maybe these letters only and this is your page, that's one print. If you print a full page with pictures and you made a collage and everything is full, that's one print. So every time you just click print, that counts as a print. And it comes with the ink cartridge. For example, I was low on the 3-color cartridge and they send me only the color one. Okay, so I'm going to replace that, and then after I started printing maybe 20 pages, it will tell them to send me another one. Then you also get this baggie, so you can send the cartridges that are empty back to them, and you don't have to pay anything, no postage. Okay, you just have to write your name and put your empty cartridges in here. Okay, they send you these baggies like every 4 shipments, so you can fill these baggies with 4 to 6 cartridges. Okay, so you just need to fill it, seal it, and mail it. And when you register, okay, you need to put a credit card or any kind of payment. For example, I'm using my PayPal, and every month and they charge you the amount that is in your plan. Now let me show you what kind of papers you can print. And here are my digital prints. For example, I keep this one, is one extra paper that I was working on, and then I keep, for example, all of these papers from one collection. And you can use cardstock, or you can use regular paper. For example, right here, this is regular paper, see? And I printed back to back, as you can see right here, see? And I recommend you to use like a normal mode, okay? Don't put the best, because it's a lot of ink and your paper, and the paper gets wet. And if you want to get more of your ink, you can do fast draft, okay? And if you don't mind, like the colors are lighter, you can do in fast draft mode, okay? When you print. So these are from Victoria Designs. I love to print from them. I'm working with them, making collaboration, and I do junk journals. So this is one project pack kit that I didn't use. See, and I have some extras from other projects. For example, right here, it was from another one that I made a journal. And yeah, you can if you want to use the ink because you are paying monthly, you can make copies of it and have more. So this is a nice way to keep your prints. And right here I have other kits too, okay? So this is very, very nice. And also you can print on photo paper. For example, right here, this one is cardstock, okay? And I was playing, I wanted to print this one in a 4x6, but I was doing from my phone, and the settings of my phone wasn't at putting the size of the picture. So when it came at the full page, see? But it's cardstock, it looks like a matte color, and I really like it. So I'm going to put this one in maybe a binder or maybe in a frame. See, this is my beautiful cat. Here is a photo paper, and right here, as you can see, Fujifilm. For example, this one counts as one print. And to get most of this paper, because this paper is very good, and I want to use for my journal, so I made a collage on my phone, okay? I use an app to put them together, so I could print small pictures, and then I'm going to cut them and put them in my journal. And you can print pictures, you can print papers for journals, but not only for journals, you can print them for ephemera. If you want embellishments, there is a lot, tons of free printables on Google. You just go and then put free printables in what you are looking for, and there is a lot of them. And I have my favorite stores for digital prints, like Victoria Designs. They has the beautiful images for an affordable price, and I can print over and over, and I can make so many things with them. Not just journals, I can make maybe an album. For example, this one right here that I made before, and the tutorial is coming up. So see, this one you can print and make like a mini album of flip book or photofolio. So you can do many things with these beautiful images that you buy, okay, online. And look, these are the pages for the journal. See, I love it. So you can get a lot using your printer. And if we're talking about the papers, for example, this one is cardstock. I use this one, okay, this is from Walmart, and this one is 110 pounds. And this one is less than $6, okay? So, and it comes 150 sheets. And then for the regular paper, you just can choose any copy paper. And I buy at Walmart for about $4, okay? And it's a big ram. And you can have all those printables handy, okay, for any project. Now I'm going to show you my printer. This is my printer, and this is an all-in-one printer, and makes copies, prints, scans, and it's connected to the web. And it also is touch screen, and it's connected to the web through Wi-Fi. And here are my files, and I'm going to print one page, and you can choose any size. You just right click on print, and then on that side it will appear the images of different sizes, and you can go down. For example, if you want two of these, you have to mark two, and it will print two of the same image. Okay, and what about if you want a smaller one? You go down and find a smaller size, and then you have to you have to choose the number 4, so it will show 4 images of the same. And if you want different images, you have to use another program like Words. Now I'm going to print one of my junk journal pages, and I'm going to show you how to do double-sided. Okay, you just print the first side of the page, and after you have it, you don't move, just put it on top of your printer. Then exactly like that, put it on top of the paper tray, and then print the other side of the page. And for example, I chose something similar that goes with it, and I'm going to print, and when it comes out, I'm gonna show you that comes straight. Like if you turn to the other side, it's going to be in the same direction. Okay, so you can just fold it and you have a page for your journal. And by the way, this is an image from Victoria Designs, and these are perfect for junk journals. So can you see it's in the same direction in both sides? When you register to Instant Ink, you can see how many pages you printed. Okay, and also it shows a graph where you can see what day you did it and how many. Then also in the billing cycle, you can see when is the last day that counts, okay, the number of pages. And in the ink status, you see if you are fine with the inks or if you need a replace. And here in the shipment tracking, you can see if there is any ink on the way. And this is the first plan, and it's only 99 cents a month for 15 pages. And if you have additional pages, it's 10 for $1, and it has a rollover up to 45 unused pages. And here is the second plan, and it's $2.99 a month for 50 pages. And if you have additional pages, it will be 10 for $1, and the rollover will be 150 unused pages. And this is the plan that I have, and it's only $4.99 a month, and that's for 100 pages. Okay, and any additional 10 pages will be $1. And the rollover is up to 300 unused pages. And you can switch or cancel your membership at any time. And if you print frequently, this plan is for you. It's $11.99 a month for up to 300 pages. Any additional 10 pages will be $1, and you will have a rollover up to 900 pages. And this plan is for heavy printing, and it's only $18.99 a month for 500 pages. Any additional 10 pages will be $1, and the rollover is up to 1,500 unused pages. And if you have a business, like for example, making stickers or ephemera or something to sell, then you can have this plan for $24.99, and that includes 700 pages a month. Okay, any additional 15 for $1. And you can have a rollover of up to 2,100 unused pages. And this is the biggest plan, is the high volume printing plan, and it's $49.99 for 1,500 pages a month. Any additional 15 pages will be $1, and the rollover is up to 4,500 unused pages. And there is a reward if you refer a friend. Your friend gets 1 free month for enrolling, and you get 1 free month for each friend who enrolls through your link. So I'm going to leave my link in the description box, and maybe I can get some free months. I hope this information was helpful for you. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.